Came out to the cabin today for a little R&R. Pretty day. Come out to fill the feeders. Fill my bird feeder. Those birds, they get all over that. It's not a bad day, really. It's not that cold, but it's a snowing. Brought my trusty Subaru. If it don't pile up, I won't have no trouble getting out of here. Don't think I'm gonna stay tonight. I'm gonna go home. Sure enjoy this place. Haven't seen any deer today for some reason. Nearing the end of January. February just around the corner. Good day to be out, be sitting at the house. Come out and shoot a few of these rifles. The 2 rifles are the 30-30s. Got an old Model 94. Put a Lyman 66 sight on it. Rear sight makes a good setup. This old H&R, actually it's a New England Arms handy rifle. I enjoy these old single shots a lot. I know they're not what people would call fancy or nice or anything. They're just a simple rifle. This one shoots fairly well. Some loads it shoots real good with. I know I enjoy shooting it. We load this bullet is the it's a clone of the RCBS 180 flat nose. This bullet's by NEI, or not NEI, NOE. Loaded with 20 grains of IMR 4895. Makes a nice load. Shooting the old Ruger a little bit today too. 45 Colt. That's a 290 grain semi-wad cutter. Keith, they call it, bullet. Those are loaded with 8.5 grains of unique. The steel plate out there, you probably can't see it, run out of black paint. Had to paint it white. This old Ruger pound that plate over and over and over. Never set up a target today, just shoot a little bit of steel, a few rocks on the hillside over there. Just come out to get a little trigger time. And like I said, a little R&R on a beautiful, beautiful day in January. Snow's so pretty. Warm day, basically. It's up above freezing, probably 35, something like that, 34, 35. Don't feel bad at all. Anyway, Another snowy day in West Virginia. Hope you enjoyed the video.